Hi, this is Marya and I'm going to show you how to make a puzzle. The following things are clay, a toy model, a rolling pin, cling, scissors, and foil, and a hot glue gun. So first we're going to open the pin. Now we're going to wrap the rolling pin in clay. Now we're going to roll the clay. Now I'm going to put the toy on the clay and press it. Put the lips out. Now hit it. And this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to put hot glue inside the mold. Okay, now I'm going to take it out. This is what, after washing it,